In this video, you're going to take some notes about periodic functions. So a periodic function is a function whose values repeat at regular intervals. So the distance between the repeated values is always the same. So it's regular. So it repeats in a pattern. It doesn't just kind of like repeat at some point. So in general, if you have a periodic function called f, there's a number p, that's called the period. That's the distance between the 2 points that repeat. The period is the same for any 2 points that repeat. So you can see those 2 points labeled there are p units apart, but these 2 points here are also that same p units apart. P is called the period. So if I ask you what is the period of a function, it's the distance before it kind of repeats itself again. In function notation, if you were to do a horizontal translation of f of x, so you were to add that amount, p, to the function, you would get the exact same function. Notice I did plus p here. This could have been minus p because it would be the same if you went forwards or backwards in either direction. So for any, and it's true for all inputs, so not just like 1 point that repeats, but all points on the graph repeat at a distance of p. One full kind of interval, one full iteration is called a cycle. So a cycle is just one kind of instance before it repeats. So from here to here, the distance is the period, and what is made within that period is referred to as one cycle.